Hi, I'm Sian Welby. Thank you to Phil for tweeting in this fantastic firework photo. And if you are heading out tonight for bonfire night, take a camera and take some snaps. And while you're there, tweet some in to @5_news, remembering to use the hashtag photo for Sian. So this evening, well, it's going to turn very, very chilly under the clear skies. We're looking at widespread air frost, temperatures as low as -5 degrees in places. So it goes without saying, if you are heading out, wrap up warm and huddle around that bonfire. By the morning, things will start to change. Actually, temperatures will start to lift as cloud pushes in from the west and this huge band of rain moves in from the Atlantic. We're looking at some torrential downpours first thing in Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, even some snow over the Highlands as that rain meets with that cold air. So quite an unsettled start in the west. It will become quite windy there as well. Central and eastern areas actually starting fairly dry, bright, quite calm. Don't be fooled. Very quickly, this rain will be pushing its way across the UK, becoming very widespread and quite disruptive as well. So Northern Ireland having a bit of a letdown tomorrow. Very disappointing weather. Very breezy in Western Scotland. Torrential downpours in the west. We could be looking at 40 millimetres of rainfall by the end of the day. So it's going to be very disappointing temperature-wise. Chilly out towards Newcastle, 5 degrees there. Staying in single digits as we head further south over East Anglia and the southeast of England. Here it will stay driest the longest and temperatures just managing to reach the teens as we head down the south coast. But it will be very breezy here. In exposed western coast, we're looking at 40, 50, even 60-mile-an-hour winds, and also some very wet weather, really taking its toll on the whole of the UK. Do take care on the roads. We could be looking at some localised flooding. So Friday morning, it will still be very wet and very windy. We've got that band of rain out towards the east. We've got scattered heavy showers moving in behind. Some of these will be thundery. Again, it will stay very blustery out towards western coast. Overall, though, as you can see, it will be feeling a touch milder.